How to log in Blood Strike account. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer, and in this video we are going to be learning how to log into the Blood Strike game so that you can save your progress across devices. So the first thing to do is to open the Blood Strike game on a device, and once you're inside this lobby screen, go to the upper right corner and tap on the gear button. This will open a settings menu from where you'll need to click on account and notice from the left hand side menu. Inside the Accounts tab that appears on the screen, go ahead and tap on one of the options right next to Link Account to. You can link your game's progress with Google account, X account, Discord, TikTok, VK, Line, Steam, NetEase, and Facebook. Choose any one option you want to sign in with. I'm going to choose the Google option. Now go ahead and enter your Google account's credential or any other account that you've chosen. Just enter its credential to sign in. Agree and continue. Go through the on-screen instructions and you have successfully signed in. You'll receive some rewards, and now you have successfully logged in to Blood Strike with your Google account. You can go ahead and log in with any other account that is available to you, and there you have it. Now you're ready to jump into matches, explore weapons, and enjoy the gameplay. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.